What's up, YouTube? Good Saturday morning here. JT with JT Reviews and Blubshare back for another video. I have an unboxing of sorts. This is a package that came from my friends in Scotland. And they do this every year. They send something for Christmas. Thank you to the Scottish friends. I know you're watching because I'm sending you the link to this video because you... yeah. But anyways, let's see what all is in here. I know there's some sweets right here, as you can see. My friend told me that there was a bunch of sweets in here. So I may do a taste test of the sweets on video. Let's see. There's packing material, it looks like, on top. Looks like I've got a bag of Swizzlers Lotus Sweets. Looks like a bunch of sweets and everything. Now this is all Scottish candies. Looks like something called Peace Baby from Maynard's Bassets. Looks like they're gummy. Free cinema tickets on Sundays. These are Mothras. They look like Americans' Milk Duds. A package of Freddo. Now I saw this her post about these. These are chocolates that look like frogs. So much candy, Andrea. There's Kinder chocolate minis. Aero peppermint chocolate. Looks like there's got like little air bubbles in the chocolate. Mini reindeers. They look like they're chocolate. Let's see, with a malt filling. Now, as I said, these are all Scottish candies. I can prove it. Let's see, UK. I'm gonna have to have these for days. This Snow Bites, I had these last year and they were really good. Something called Crunchies. Let's see here. Let's see if it says anything about them on here. I can't really see anything. It just says milk chocolate. I'm guessing they're similar to Crunches. They're made by Cadbury. Another shirt. I'm going to get to that here in a minute. Something called Milky Bar. Milk is our #1 ingredient. Cocoa plain. Another thing about the movies. These were made in... no, they're made in UK, right there, York. I'll get to that later, here in a minute. I'm just going through the candies. Looks like there's another Cadbury thing, Santa. It looks like there's all kinds of little things in here. Dairy Oreo milk bar. I love sampling foods from different countries, especially sweets. Something called Curly Whirly. Say milk chocolate with caramel center. Ooh, sounds good. And she always sends shirts and clothes, which I love. Last year I got a sweater, which was really nice. Sorry about this. This is just a plain shirt, looks like. And we'll hang it right there for some Christmas socks. Looks like a Jim Beam shirt. It is. Old Kentucky. Now this all came from Scotland. So they have Jim Beam stuff in Scotland. And of course, you can't forget the Coca-Cola Christmas is coming, holidays are coming shirt. But anyways, I want to say a special thank you to my friend in Scotland who sent this. And I love it. I may do a taste test on these candies. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see if I do a video. But I'm going to get to edit this video and put it up. So this is the surprise opening box, which I knew was coming anyways. But yeah. And like I said, thanks again for this goodies. But yeah. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel rather, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to try to do more videos in the future. It just depends on time wise. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.